A to Z English alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for house. I for igloo. J for juice. K for king. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for nail. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.